used to be afraid of feeling little. I used to never want to play a second fiddle. But that all changed when I met you. You make me wanna Garfunkel, like you be Jesse and I'll be the other uncle. I don't need the spotlight, I just wanna see you shine. I could be Joey, you could be Chandler. You tell the jokes and I will straight man you. Maybe that was not always a plan, but so what? If you wanna love, I'll love you forever. If you wanna run, let's run together. When you go high, I will go low. I'll harmonize while you're so low. Yeah, you and I, we could be our own iconic duo. I will Lennon, you're McCartney, 'cause I could never have imagined all the ways you make my heart beat. They say love's all you need, well, please, please let it be. Yeah, you can be Beyonce, I can be Jay-Z. Talent like Kanye, just not as crazy. If it were possible, I'd have your baby, baby. If you wanna love, I'll love you forever. If you wanna run, let's run together. Let's run together. When you go high, I will go low. I'll harmonize while you're so low. Yeah, you and I, we could be our own iconic duo. Iconic duo. The more I see, well, the more I find that I'm better by your side. If you wanna love, I'll love you forever. And if you wanna run, oh, let's run together.